Before I explain what they are doing, did you know that every time the FIFA Football World Cup kicks off, an insect in India also comes out looking to score? Hidden in the forest of northeast India lives a rare cicada that appears only once every 4 years, so perfectly timed that scientists have nicknamed it the World Cup cicada. Meet Cremistico rivoi, one of India's rarest cicadas named after the Rivoi district in Meghalaya. For almost 4 years, it lives underground as a nymph, quietly feeding on tree roots. Then, almost like clockwork, millions emerge together, coinciding with the FIFA World Cup. That's how it earned its unforgettable nickname. Almost the entire generation emerges within a few weeks, not because they are migrating, not because they are searching for food. They come out for just one reason: to find a mate. The males immediately begin calling using special sound producing organs called timbals, creating a chorus that can reach around 100 decibels. The females choose a mate, they reproduce, and soon after, the adults die. But before dying, cuts tiny slits into young tree branches and lays her eggs inside. A few weeks later, the eggs hatch, the tiny nymphs drop to the ground, burrow into the soil, and begin another 4 year wait. So every cicada is essentially born an orphan. By the time its egg hatches, both of its parents are already dead. Natural selection hasn't favored investing energy in a long adult lifespan because reproducing quickly is enough to pass on their genes. Birds, monkeys, reptiles, spiders, and other predators eat huge number of cicadas, but there are simply too many to consume. By flooding the ecosystem with adults at once, enough still to survive to mate and lay eggs. That's a brilliant adaptation at work. Predator satiation. And here's the weirdest part. If you stand under the tree where thousands of these insects gather, you might think it's raining, except it's not rain. It's cicada pee. Look, adult cicadas survive by drinking plant sap. The problem is that plant sap is more than 95% water and contains very less nutrition. So to get enough food, a cicada has to suck enormous amount of sap, up to 300 times its own body weight at times, and it continuously squirts out the excess water. When thousands of World Cup cicadas do this together, people standing below such tree experiences what feels like a light shower. In fact, local communities have a special name for it, the urinating insect. This species, once believed to exist only in Meghalaya, has now been officially documented in Assam as well across the Rani Garbhanga Basishta Reserve Forest, making it the first record of this species outside Meghalaya, a real extension of its known range.